Hey everyone, today we are diving into something super cool, how to enable the voice feature on Character AI or C.ai for short. Let's unlock a whole new dimension to how you interact with your favorite characters. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly talk about why you would want to enable the voice feature. The voice feature lets you bring your chats with the characters to the life. Yes, you can actually hear the responses in a natural sounding voice. Whether you are chatting with your historical figures, fictional characters, or custom characters you have created, this immersive experience takes your storytelling, role-playing, or learning to the next level. Alright, first things first, make sure you are using the device that supports audio. This includes most modern smartphones, tablets, and computers. Also, ensure your browser is up to date. Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox work best. Having the latest browser ensures the audio feature works without any technical hiccups. Next, open the Character AI app. Or you can also open it into the website. And if you have an account yet, don't worry, it's super simple to sign up and takes just a minute. And this open your chat section. Now select the character you want to chat with or create a new one. Got your favorite character ready? Awesome. I'm tapping on Amila, which is over here. Tap on it. Now for the exciting part, enabling the voice feature, here's what you do. Once you are in the chat window, you can see a voice or a sound icon in top right corner. Tap on it. And this will immediately enable your voice feature. Let's give it a try. For that, tap on the play button just below the profile of the character. It's over here. Tap on it.
Hey, you seem to be stuck in a loop there. Is everything okay?
And you can also pick the best voice for you every time. For that, you can place and hold this one to change it. Like this. You can explore more on that too. And that's it, you are all set. Go back to your chat, start typing, and listen as your chosen character begins responding you in a real time. It's like having a genuine conversation. And there you have it, folks. Enabling the Character AI voice feature is quick and easy. It makes chatting with your favorite characters so much engaging. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.